So, hi guys. So, it is my first day of school today. And here is our school. Our school uniform. By the way, I am already a fourth year student. Oh my god. An update guys. Pasok na ako. Tara kayo thesis namin. Check kami today. Lang. Anything you ask me to. During the So, hi guys, this is an update sa aking life. And as you can see, sobrang gulo ng kwarto ko. Tingnan nyo. Look at that. Curtains and everything. Sobrang dumi, diba? Yan ang update sa buhay ko. Ang daming nangyayari and I feel so overwhelmed. And here is our schedule. So, hindi nyo kita. Magiling ko na lang. Nabanggit nung prof naman sa research advisor naman last sem na ang magiging defense daw naman is within this September first week. So, parang during or after ng prelim namin. So, meaning to say, we only have 1 month para asikasuhin yung chapter 4, mag-validate, and then chapter 5. What? Diba? Sobrang daming nangyayari at ang bilis ng pacing kasi madami pa daw kaming aasikasuhin after ng defense. We have no choice but to revise. Oh my god, the life of being a fourth year student is not easy at all. But don't have choice. We need to do it. Hindi pwedeng tumigil dito. Oh my god. Fourth year na sa kapatid. Hindi. Yun lang naman ang update sa akin. Like, magliligpit na ako and it's already 10 p.m. Magti 10:30 na. Niligpit na ako para makatulog ako. Kasi maaga pa ang pasok ko bukas. At kailangan ko pang bumiyahe. Yun lang.
With you, where you've been, I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven sent. Saw you there and I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Wanna play? Always gonna be forever, always gonna go down in pain. Life is worth the pain. Don't know myself and service, I'll tell you I'm insane. And you'll love the game. Don't take this way too far. Come along, let's like lovers, I'll tell you I'm insane. And I'll write your name.